Stop throwing away your old plastic pots. You might be tossing out the easiest garden upgrade you'll ever make. What looks like clutter is actually raw material for something creative, practical, and seriously eye-catching. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we turn simple everyday items into beautiful garden features without spending a fortune. Today I'm showing you 4 clever ways to transform old plastic pots into decor, wildlife helpers, and stunning focal points that will completely change the feel of your space. Before we jump in, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I always love seeing how far our garden community reaches, and make sure you stick around for all 4 ideas, because the last one might become your new favorite weekend project. Let's get started. Idea number 1: transform old plastic pots with paint and texture. There's something incredibly satisfying about taking a dull, faded plastic pot and turning it into a bold, eye-catching feature that actually elevates your entire garden. Most nursery pots are functional, not beautiful. They're usually black, thin, and forgotten the moment the plant goes into the ground. But with the right prep and a little creativity, that same pot can look custom-made. Start by giving it a deep clean, with warm soapy water to remove dirt, residue, and any oils that might prevent paint from sticking. Once it's completely dry, apply a primer designed specifically for plastic. This step makes a huge difference in durability. After that, build your color slowly, with 2 to 3 thin coats of outdoor acrylic or spray paint, allowing each coat to dry fully before adding the next. Thin layers prevent drips and give you that smooth professional finish that doesn't peel after one rainy week. Now comes the fun part, adding personality. You can go bold with bright tropical colors, soft with muted earth tones, or even modern with matte neutrals. Create stripes using painter's tape, stencil on patterns, or hand paint simple botanical designs for a custom look. If you want texture, wrap thick jute rope around the rim for a rustic feel, glue on small stones for a natural finish, or add mosaic tiles for something more artistic. Once everything is fully dry, seal the entire pot with a clear weatherproof topcoat to protect it from sun fading and moisture damage. Group several decorated pots together in varying heights to create a layered display that looks intentional and styled rather than scattered. And if you're planting herbs or anything edible, make sure your paints and sealants are labeled non-toxic. This simple upgrade costs almost nothing, but it can completely shift the energy of your garden space. Idea number 2: turn old pots into a garden scarecrow or statement sculpture. If you have a stack of plastic pots in different sizes, this is where things get creative in a big way. Instead of using them one by one, you can combine them into a playful scarecrow or a bold garden sculpture that instantly becomes a conversation piece. Start by choosing a theme. You can go whimsical with a smiling scarecrow, modern with stacked color blocks, or even character-inspired with expressive painted faces. Begin by cleaning and priming each pot so the paint adheres properly and lasts outdoors. Use outdoor acrylic paint in bright contrasting colors to make the structure pop from a distance. Once dry, seal everything with a weatherproof topcoat to protect against fading and peeling. Drive a sturdy wooden stake, metal rod, or PVC pipe deep into the soil to act as the central spine. Slide or secure a large pot at the top as the head, fastening it tightly with zip ties or strong garden wire so it doesn't wobble in the wind. From there, build the body using medium-sized pots stacked below, securing each layer firmly so the structure feels stable. Smaller pots can be attached on either side, using side stakes or thick wire to create arms. You can angle them outward to make the figure look animated and lively. Add personality by painting on eyes, eyebrows, a wide grin, or even bold patterns down the torso. If you want to soften the plastic look, dress it up with an old hat, scarf, or fabric scraps tied around the neck. For a more artistic and less figurative approach, skip the face entirely and stack brightly painted pots vertically on rebar stakes throughout a flower bed to create a striking modern installation. Surround the base with trailing plants like ivy or creeping jenny so the sculpture feels rooted and intentional rather than placed. Not only does this project add height and visual interest to flat garden spaces, but it can also help deter birds from vegetable patches, while giving your yard a playful, handcrafted touch that no store-bought ornament can match. Idea number 3. Create a bird feeder or bee hotel from old plastic pots. This is where your old plastic pots stop being decoration and start becoming part of a living ecosystem. Instead of tossing them aside, you can turn them into functional habitats that invite birds and pollinators directly into your garden. For a bird feeder, start with 1 sturdy plastic pot and 2 matching saucers. Clean everything thoroughly, then drill a few small feeding holes around the lower sides of the pot. These holes should be large enough for seed to trickle out, but not so large that everything spills at once. Drill a centered hole through the bottom of the pot and through both saucers. Thread strong rope or wire through all 3 pieces, so the bottom saucer acts as a seed tray and the top saucer becomes a protective roof. Secure tight knots underneath, so the structure stays balanced when hanging. Once assembled, you can decorate the exterior with non-toxic outdoor paint, but keep the interior simple and safe. Fill with bird seed, hang it from a sturdy branch, and you've created a feeder that's practical, durable, and completely repurposed. If you'd rather focus on pollinators, that same plastic pot can become a bee hotel, and this is incredibly valuable for your garden's health. Solitary bees are excellent pollinators, and are non-aggressive, and they're always looking for small protected spaces to nest. Take your clean pot and drill a few extra side holes for airflow. Pack the interior tightly with bamboo sticks, hollow plant stems, straw and dry leaves. The key is filling it firmly so the materials don't fall out but still leave natural tunnels for bees to enter. Mount the pot sideways in a sheltered location that gets morning sun, ideally facing south or southeast, and keep it off the ground to protect it from moisture. Over time, you may notice small openings sealed with mud or plant material, which means bees have chosen your hotel as a nesting site. With 1 simple plastic pot, you're not just decorating, you're actively strengthening your garden's biodiversity and creating a space that supports life in a meaningful way. Idea number 4. Build a stacked tiered planter that becomes the star of your garden. If you want something that looks high-end but costs almost nothing, this is the project. A stacked tiered planter instantly adds height, structure and drama to any garden space, especially if your layout feels flat or scattered. Start by gathering 3 to 4 plastic pots in graduating sizes. The larger the size difference, the more dramatic the final effect. Clean them thoroughly, and if you want a polished look, paint them all in a uniform color palette before assembling. Matte black gives a modern feel, soft terracotta tones feel warm and classic, and muted greens blend beautifully into natural surroundings. Once dry, place your largest pot in its final position, and fill it about 3/4 full with quality potting soil. For extra stability, insert a sturdy stake or dowel into the center, especially if you live in a windy area. Now begin building upward. Take the second pot and position it slightly off-center inside the base pot, pressing it firmly into the soil so it sits securely. The off-center placement is what creates that cascading layered look, instead of a straight stack. Add soil to the second pot, then repeat the process with smaller pots, staggering each one slightly differently. This creates movement and visual flow. When planting, choose trailing or spilling plants for maximum impact. Nasturtiums, creeping thyme, strawberries, petunias, or cascading succulents work beautifully because they soften the edges and drape over each level. You can also create a functional herb tower with basil, parsley, thyme and mint, making it both decorative and practical. Once everything grows in, this tiered planter becomes a true focal point, drawing the eye upward and making your garden look thoughtfully designed rather than randomly arranged. And there you have it, 4 creative ways to turn those old plastic pots into something beautiful, practical, and completely garden-worthy. What used to sit forgotten behind the shed can now become a colorful statement piece, a playful sculpture, a wildlife haven, or a stunning tiered focal point. It just proves that you don't always need new supplies or a big budget to transform your space. Sometimes the best upgrades are already sitting right in front of you, waiting for a little imagination and effort. Beyond the creativity, there's something deeper here too. Every plastic pot you repurpose is one less piece of waste heading to a landfill, and one more step toward a more thoughtful, sustainable garden. Small actions add up. When you reuse, redesign, and rethink what you already have, you're not just decorating, you're gardening with intention. That's what timeless gardening is all about. Creating beauty that lasts while making smarter choices for our spaces and the planet. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of the 4 ideas are you excited to try first? Are you going bold with painted statement pots, building a fun scarecrow, supporting birds and bees, or creating that eye-catching tiered planter? Tell me in the comments below. And if you make one of these projects, share your experience. Your ideas might inspire someone else in our community to try something new. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next creative garden project. We've got plenty more budget-friendly, eco-smart ideas coming your way. Thank you for spending your time here with Timeless Gardening, and I'll see you in the next one.